Ansell has and always will be focused on staying future ready to ensure supply of surgical gloves at the highest level of quality and to minimize disruption for customers whatever challenges lie ahead. Our pre-COVID resource planning has resulted in new surgical lines being fully operational in 2021 in the 3 Ansell-owned manufacturing plants based in Sri Lanka and Malaysia. Collectively, these new lines will increase the non-latex capacity of surgical and sterile life sciences gloves by 50%, while natural rubber latex surgical glove capacity increases by 70%. Substantial investments now and into the future of state-of-the-art equipment, advanced process automation and sustainable manufacturing practices will mean that we will be ready to meet supply and product quality expectations customers demand from us as a global PPE provider. Additionally, our dual source capability with plants in Sri Lanka and Malaysia and our multi-sourcing strategy for critical raw materials will also help to mitigate manufacturing and supply disruptions during the most challenging of times. At Ansell, we are committed to staying future ready so that OR staff around the world who have made Ansell surgical gloves the #1 glove of choice can stay focused on what matters most, their safety and the quality of patient care. Stay future ready with Ansell and stay connected with your changing needs.